Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the order of photos on Instagram after posting. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application and then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Here it is. After that, you can open any post you want, and if your posts have more than 2 photos, you can actually change the order of your photos. So how you can do that? If you want to remove, for example, this one photo to the last position of your post, first of all, you need to click on the 3 dots button at the top right corner, and then find and click on the edit button. After that, you will see this interface, as you can see at the bottom left corner of your photo, there is a little trash bin icon. So you need to click on that icon and then delete. After that, you need to click on the done button at the top right corner. Now, as you can see, there are only 2 photos in your post. So the second thing you need to do is to click on the 3 lines at the top right corner, then your activity option. After that, you need to scroll down and click on the recently deleted. Then you need to click on your recently deleted post. Then you need to click on the 3 dots button at the top right corner and then click on the restore option. Then restore again. Then you need to go back to your profile. Then after that, click on your post. And then, as you can see, this photo removed to the last position to the end of your post. So, and that's all, and that's how to change the order of photos on Instagram after posting. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.